Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can resize a document or design in the Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. In the first step, guys, launch the Affinity Designer, and in the next step what you want to do is select a given document here, for example, from these tabs. And there are three different ways how you can resize them. As you can see, guys, for this document tab here, we got that A4 page or document. So option number one would be to export the given document and to resize it during the export setup. To do that, click into File in the top left once you're ready with your editing, and hover mouse over Export, click into Export here. Select the file type here, like JPEG, PNG, SVG, and so on and so forth. Here to the right, guys, under Advanced, scroll down, and you will see, for example, if you select or change the file type, which is SVG, let us switch to PNG for the sake of this tutorial. You will see that PNG supports, for example, a resizing before exporting. As you can see, not all file formats do that. So here you will be given the opportunity to change the canvas width and height for the exported file. So let me switch to, I don't know, 1280 by 720 or something like that. Width and height, click into export, and after that save it into the location on your device with the selected size here or resolution. However, guys, there are also other options, of course. Before exporting, you can also change the document and canvas size here while editing before exporting. To do that, option number two, click into document at the top, and then, guys, what you want to do is hover mouse over setup here and choose document setup, or use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-P. You will see the preview of the document here, and to the right, for example, guys, you may choose a different page preset, which is currently A4, but you can go with A5 and so on and so forth. Later, I will leave it at A4. And then, guys, you may also change the page width and height here in millimeters. Yeah, let's go, for example, 300 millimeters, and here we go with 424. For the sake of this tutorial, click into OK to resize your page. And then there's option number three, guys. Click into document again, hover mouse over setup again, and hover mouse over resize. Here, choose a document or canvas. So you can go with one of these. I will go with canvas. And again, there will be that resizing menu here. You can choose a different size for the width, for the height, and also the measurement units. Switch to pixels, for example, and then click into this field and enter your custom height and width. Let me go with 2800, for example. Click into resize, and as you can see, now the canvas has been resized. You can do the same, of course, for the document using the same method. Instead of canvas, choose document, and you will be redirected to the same resizing menu here, guys. That's how you do it. That's the three options. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.